Hi everyone, welcome back. Hola mi gente, bienvenidos otra vez. In this tutorial today, you're gonna see these two type of headband hairstyles. So keep watching. Mi gente, en el video de hoy vamos a hacer estos dos tipos de estilo de pelo con unas bandanas. Así que sigan viendo el video. Guys, I also have another headband quick styles in my page channel. So you can go after this video, check it out. También mi gente, yo tengo otro video que tiene otros estilos de bandanas en mi canal, en mi página. Pueden ir después que vean el video. Guys, as always, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe right now, give a like to this video and hit that bell for notification. Mi gente, como siempre, si no se ha suscrito a mi canal, suscríbase ahora, dale un like a este video y dale a la campanita para más notificaciones de nuevos videos. Now, let's get started. Ahora vamos a empezar. So I forgot one more thing. I know I let my hair go, but all the materials I am gonna use, I'm gonna put it down below in English and in Spanish, okay? Se me olvidó decirle a ustedes y ya me solté el pelo, pero todos los materiales que yo uso en este tutorial van a estar abajo en inglés y en español.
They wanna know why I'm optimistic. I don't rely on my own understanding. They wanna feel alive, even touch the sky. You can't be afraid to fly if you don't even try. So don't tell me I'm wrong. Put a different record on and sing it with me. Like oh yeah, like oh yeah. Now you know. Don't tell me I'm wrong.
Mix it with me.
don't rely on my own understanding. They wanna feel alive, even touch the sky. You can't be free to fly if you don't even try. So don't tell me I'm wrong. Put a different record on and sing it with me.
Guys, I hope you liked the video. Let me know which one was your favorite in comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep doing more of these. I'm very creative with my hair, especially with scarves and everything that is on my hands. I will put it on my hair and do something with it that usually you don't see every day. But if you have seen my other videos, you can tell I'm a very edgy look, but you know, there's a lot of styles and everybody's different, so you just have to try one of the ones that I have, and it could be your favorite and it could be your basic or your normal routine. I don't know, but have fun with it. That's what I do, and keep watching. It's gonna be coming more, so keep watching. Until next time. Mi gente, espero que les guste el video. Abajo en los comentarios díganme cuál sería su favorito, cuál sería el que trataría usted. Y esto va a seguir. A mí me encanta lo que sea bufanda, bandana. Yo soy bien creativa. Lo que caiga en mis manos, que pueda hacer creatividad con mi pelo. La gente que me conoce, de verdad, ya sabe cómo es mi estilo. Mi estilo es un poquito más allá, pero por eso es que hago todos estos tipos de estilos para que ustedes traten uno, desde un básico hasta uno extremo. Pero sigan mi canal, suscríbanse si no se han suscrito, y hasta la próxima. Adiós.